time, we'd like to thank, as they come out on the track, the skid loaders, equipment, and tow trucks. People who donated. We'd like to thank RDO Mankato, Nielsen Blacktopping and Concrete of St. Peter's, Foley Shop, Blue Earth, Minnesota, Affordable Towing of Mankato, 5-Star Towing of Lafayette, Drive-A-Tank, Soda, Minnesota, Spencer Allen, and Simply Green Lawn Services. And once again, thanks to our main sponsor, Napa. Fans, it's important to point out all those awesome Napa Auto Parts stickers on the Derby cars. Napa Auto Parts is paying $100 cash to the winning car in each class if they have their Napa Auto Parts logo displayed. Alright, the final results from your truck heat. Coming in third place, Nicholas Stesniak, number 61X. Coming in second, Cody Reynolds in the 23X. And your truck winner, Daniel Lano, in truck number 121. Daniel Lano will also be taking home the hardest hitter trophy brought to you by J&J Recycling in Elmore. First runner-up for the hardest hitter would go to number 61X, Cody Reynolds, brought to you by NLR Derby Products. And we will be, after we clear the track, we will be bringing out our compacts. Correction, second runner-up for hardest hitter is the 23X of Cody Reynolds. Alright, we're having some kerfuffle up here about the second runner-up and the hardest hitter. Just give us a second. Alright, it is now confirmed the second runner-up for the hardest hitter brought to you by NLR Derby Products, Nicholas Stesniak of the number 61X. Once again, after we clear the track, the compacts will be coming out next. Vehicles off this afternoon.